Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that Bitcoin did recover a little bit, was able to reclaim 96,000, but it is still a little uncertain in terms of what direction it wants to take. Does it want to have a pullback or does it want to break the 100k? It's going to be very heavily dependent on the way that the altcoins are going to react. Especially 24 hours ago, the altcoins which were pushing up as Bitcoin was struggling to stay over 95,000, such as XRP, Cardano, Stellar, they have definitely slowed down, so you can see that the cycle is definitely working. BNB is the one that's leading the chart for the last 24 hours, and Doge is still holding close to 42 cents with, let me tell you, the trading volume that's actually larger than BNB right now. On the other end, 440 million liquidated in the crypto market in the last 12 hours. Analysts say that Dogecoin price action is very similar to XRP and set to target $1.15. Ripple versus SEC case might be coming to an end if Paul gets elected as SEC chairman, and Bitcoin trades above 96,000 as Fed Chairman Powell's speech is around the corner. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest information first, you need to go down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube then push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first thing, I want to show you guys the price action. Now, I mentioned how Dogecoin price action is sitting at a very critical or crucial stage. What is really interesting about this is you guys can see previously when something similar happened with Dogecoin, it did have a really good run up until it was able to see a little bit pullback, which we are sitting in right now. What does this mean? Well, you can see that it's pretty much mimicking what it did previously. So this is exactly the pullback that was similar to this one. And you can see that the reversal that has formed is very similar to this one. So this time the leg up is definitely going to be taking it to this year's high. That's just my expectation, because you guys can see it's very clear that it's mimicking or mirroring the exact same idea or the exact same way that it was working previously. Is this a good thing? I personally do think so, because if the altcoin season just carries on, I mean, we have all seen that the last 48 hours the altcoin is definitely increasing the dominance over Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance had come down all the way to, you can say, 54%, so it's definitely giving Bitcoin a run for its money. On the other end, if you pay attention to Bitcoin, you can see it's trying extremely hard to just be able to stay over 96,000, so the next leg up it's able to break the 100k. Let me tell you one thing, the way the whole crypto market is working right now, it's going to be very crucial to see how everything is going to react in the next, you can say, 3 to 4 weeks, because by the end of 2024 there is going to be so much money that's going to be made and so much money that's going to be transferring to other parts of the world, because you can see that the volume to market cap ratio for Bitcoin right now is also sitting at 3%, which is extremely high. And let me tell you that this is going to be increasing as more and more whale activity is going to increase. Now, Dogecoin, it's still holding really strong for the open interest. It's back to 3 billion, and the long to the short ratio, well, let me tell you, the longs are becoming much stronger as time is going past. What does this mean? Well, in the long term, the long traders are definitely expecting the Dogecoin price to increase rapidly. On the other end, there is a lot of people which are being liquidated. 440 million in just 12 hours is insane. And analysts are predicting that Dogecoin is definitely going to be seeing a crazy return. The market analysts maintain their bullish stance on Dogecoin, with a recent analysis suggesting its price action is similar to XRP, which exploded recently. But Doge has already shown an explosion where we increased about 400% just in the past couple of months, so it's definitely going to be even crazier the next time it goes higher. What is crazier, I feel like a lot of Doge holders don't understand, is BNB is nearly double. You can say it's not exactly double, but nearly double when it comes to market cap compared to Dogecoin, and it's increased 20% today, which is incredible. Now you can see that the trading volume is still not greater than Dogecoin, and you can also see that Solana is not greater than Dogecoin, so there is definitely a lot lot of catching up that Dogecoin has to do. If it does get closer to BNB and Solana's market cap, the price would climb to its all-time high. Now that all added together gives you a very strong perspective that there is more potential for the Dogecoin price to keep climbing. And if it does climb to 112 billion, the price would make it to about 80 cents, which I mentioned is the largest we have ever seen. And Ripple versus SEC, poll selected as SEC chairman, will the case be dismissed? And the answer is yes, because Paul, which is going to be elected by Trump, is a pro-crypto. And if they do decide to let go of the case, XRP is definitely going to be pumping even harder. Now, Bitcoin trades above 96,000. Now, you guys know on Friday, it's going to be a big day as it's going to provide further direction on the US interest rate cut. Now, how does this all work? Well, just to give you perspective, if the interest rate cut is going to happen, it's definitely going to have a good impact. And this is a scary news, which was very unexpected. South Korean martial law capped crypto trading volume to new record high with 34 billion. Now, this was super unexpected because the president of South Korea just announced martial law. For the people who do not know what that is, in simple terms, it's just the army is going to be controlling the country. There's two reasons they mentioned for this, which was even more shocking. There's some internal affairs which are not correct, and secondly, some problems that they might be facing from the neighboring country which is North Korea. But it's so unexpected to the point where even the country leaders are shocked, and that's why there's a lot of panic in the country and a lot of people are going towards crypto. I mean, crypto was already growing rapidly in South Korea. Just to give you perspective, there was more trading volume coming into crypto from South Korea than compared to their stock market, which is about 20% more. So this is going to cause more panic and get people to buy more crypto for their won. Now, Australia's new crypto law says crypto compliance no longer optional. So ASIC mandates financial license for most crypto firms under the new crypto rules. So they just want to ensure that all of the new firms which are going to be allowing people to buy crypto have more stricter laws, and they're going to be following, more harder things. And Britain wants to take the US on the global crypto hub, but the industry has its doubt. I mean, Britain wants their share of holding when it comes to crypto, and they are definitely trying to find a different way to be able to have more control of how their public or how their population is buying crypto, and it's definitely getting a lot bigger. Is this going to be affecting the crypto regulations? Maybe, because they are expecting to lay it out by 2026. So this bull run will still be fine, but next one will be interesting. I hope you're excited for the next 1 month coming, because I am. That's going to be playing a really crucial role. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.